Hi everyone, this is Anam. Welcome to Wasit Wetland, a hidden gem in Sharjah UAE. Let's hop on this buggy and start our adventure. This beautiful nature reserve is home to stunning wildlife, lush greenery and peaceful waters. Look at that, it is amazing to see these herons. Wasit Wetland is a birdwatcher's paradise. Here you can spot a variety of birds and herons. Look at that! It is amazing to see these herons. Inside you can see an incredible variety of birds, each more stunning than the last. Now let's head inside to get a closer look at some of the beautiful birds. If you're in Sharjah, make sure to visit Wasit Wetland. It's a beautiful place for peaceful getaway and chance to connect with nature. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventures.